This little buy here is actually from this morning. I saw a break here, and I am actually going to make a video on Bookmap for you guys because until I get my other indicator out, Bookmap is an awesome software you can use if you have like multiple screens. You just have Bookmap pulled up. I'll do a training on it, and I saw on Bookmap we had a bunch of orders sitting up here for sellers. And I took the buy breakout to the sellers that were reversing here. So those orders were filled, and I caught, because this is micro NQ on my small account, was able to catch $273. So that was really cool. I was just testing out Bookmap to see how it works because I haven't used it like what I'm about to teach you guys. So good morning, good morning. Let's mark up our highs and lows of today. Okay. We're gonna need this. Can you hear me good, or do I need to have my mic closer? I'm good. So here's all-time highs. I'm just marking this up because I'm back on NQ. So there's our high of the day right here. Here's our low. And then I'm gonna mark up down here just in case we continue on down. We kind of have this little zone here. And that's where I'm going to leave it. We're not going to do anything crazy. We're just wanting to cover our nearest zone. So we have the daily high. Then I did the low of the previous day. We have all-time highs. And then we have a low of quite a few days ago, obviously. And we might be doing another pullback. So we're just going to see where we go with that. This was my signal this morning that I took. So what you see here is just something I did this morning. We had a sell last night. We had a buy at market open. Market open buy was beautiful. I actually took that. So market open buy was good. Market open sell was, or after market open, the sell last night was good too. That came, I think it was, oh yeah, it was like 12 o'clock. I thought it was 11, but I was up real late last night. So we're kind of looking for nice clean break. Oh, there you go. We could tap into these lows again. Oh my goodness, you guys are already bringing it up. Okay. Let's not. Yeah, I know. You guys have seen some haters pop up on my posts lately. They they don't understand who I am and what I do. So that's totally okay. People are gonna hate on my strategy. I know a lot of people love it, like absolutely love it. Some people don't like the 5 minute candle hack because they think it's stupid. They don't understand that I came from binary options. Futures was not my main gig. Futures is something I do every morning now. but I've done binary options for years, and we don't have order flow, and we don't have bookmap, and we don't have all of that at binary options and trading pocket options. So what you have to do is learn how to dissect manipulation in the candles. So there's no order flow I was working with, which I found to be incredibly more difficult than reading order flow. So the 5 minute candle hack that you see that I do, that 5 minute candle hack is from me breaking down movements. So I will discuss the 5 minute candle hack and what I look for. It's basically a reversal, pullback, continuation. You will, well then, high market open, but you will see that when using the 5 minute candle hack, it's not what everybody wants to learn. And it's funny because people want to learn it and then they want to hate me for it. And I'm like, okay, like if you don't like it, then don't use it. I like it. I love using it. I find it to be super beneficial for my strategy. So we have a buy coming in. I'd like to see this candle close first. Yeah, I think the 5 minute candle hack is amazing. I love it. But I know some of you have seen those comments and you messaged me asking me if I'm good. Like, yeah, I'm totally fine. I understand that my strategy might not be for everyone. But then I also had a mom that messaged me the other day and on Sunday, and she told me that she took $1,000 and turned it into $4,800 over the weekend using the 5 minute candle hack on binary options. So I'm happy for her and I'm happy for the people that I'm helping. And I'm going to keep doing what I do. Could we reverse? We could. We could come back down and create a wick down here or push back up with the way book maps looking. We actually have more sellers building up than buyers. So I know we do have a buy from Firestorm right here. Candle didn't close up there. Like I said, we always wait till candle closure. We'll catch the next candle, or you can get in immediately. It's up to you. Looks like we have a lot of sellers built up around 820 right up here. Let's see. They would have to be filled, of course, first. Pushing up. I took that buy break just a little bit from that signal. We got 660 on one, 720 on the other. But all my accounts between 660 and 720. A little weird. Weird move, but it worked. I have a lot of sellers coming in at this 820. I'm probably going to push this candle back. Yeah. I have a little fruit fly that came from somewhere. I'm guessing my husband likes to open his garage door. And when he opens it, it lets all the flies in from outside. And now I got a fly in here that won't leave me alone. Hey, we're gonna might push back up here. But I did take to from here to here for my little entry. Did I get my top steps? Yes, I did. I finally got my top steps. See, they're all here. So they're all open, active, good. Thankful, honestly. It took about a week. What was it, a week? One full week to hear a response from them, and then suddenly everything, they didn't even respond back to me. It's funny because they kept me waiting. And then I said, I see everybody else on X going through the same issue. And once I sent that, like 30 minutes later, I got all of my accounts. No response from support, nothing. Not a thank you or like we got this figured out or whatever it might be or thanks for pointing this out. Anything. Just it doesn't even have to be a thank you. Just like acknowledging what happened. Nothing. Didn't acknowledge a thing. I know. And it's funny because initially they told me it was what was it? The consistency. I got the consistency wrong. I did it wrong. And I'm like, everybody else is going through this. Yeah, this is with Top Step. They didn't give me my live accounts for like a week. And I didn't hear a response. But once I started showing screenshot proof and also telling them what was going on with other people on X, they like instantly fixed it, which is weird. I don't like that. And it sucks because I actually really like this platform. Well, I guess I'm just gonna have to suck it up, cupcake, and get over it. Could we have a 5-minute candle hack? We actually could. Just waiting. Yes, it was top step. Yeah, that is sketchy. I love the new dashboard, to be honest. I think it's awesome. But they should have expected there was going to be a high amount of tickets. I don't know what's been going on with their support lately. And that's what I was talking about with the 5 minute candle hack. On pocket option, the same thing happens. It will push down for a majority of this candle. And then the last minute and a half, 2 minutes, it will do a huge pullback to either continue back up or to push back down. Like that is what I'm so used to seeing. So that's why when I see that in NASDAQ, I'm like, okay, that makes sense. Might not make sense to everybody else, but it makes sense to me. $590. Congratulations. We have 1 minute and 16 seconds left. Probably wants to go back down here, touch the lows. We'll see. New 5 minute candle. You can re-enter a buy. It's totally up to you. I'm just waiting. See what the market's doing. When you're looking for the 5 minute candle hack, one of the most important ones that I've noticed is a flat bottom or a flat top. So if you have a 5 minute candle that pushes in a direction, and let's say there's no wick there, and it just keeps pushing down, somewhere within that 2 minute mark of the countdown, it will push back and make a wick on the other side. And you can catch that pullback and you will see the candle start to weaken. So that's one of the biggest indicators I see for myself. And I only do it when it's near, like in a trend. I don't do it against the trend. I only do it with the trend. And then on the 1 minute chart, you will see that it looks like a pullback continuation. like this one. There's no wick on the other side. So we're pushing down, and as we see it get weaker, we look on a 1-minute chart. How you can see how it gets weaker is that it would break that trend line, make the wick on the other side. See what we got in the 1 minute here. Yes, I actually recorded 5 new videos over the weekend of the 5-minute candle hack to show you on binary options. So then you also know what to look for on NASDAQ as well. They move very similar, and I have so many videos of me trading on my live account binary options with the 5-minute candle hack, looking for that reversal. No, I am not a long-term holding trader. I'm in my trades very quickly. When I learned binary options, my trade times were anywhere from 30 seconds to a minute. So I'm not used to being in trades any longer than that. I can do it. I just prefer not to. So that's just my preference. You're welcome. Can have, we could have a pullback continuation break here. No, I wait till a clear break before I scalp a sell. I would only take it to here. So that's usually what I do when I scalp. Firestorm says here. So we'll see. %76 of hitting right there. Start a new 5-minute candle here in a minute. It's also 10 o'clock. So be careful. It's okay if it's yellow. It's still 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock always has a big move. It's the start of a 4-hour candle. $1,500 profit. Congratulations. One of you guys just messaged me on Instagram and on Telegram. Typical Monday. I'm just ranging around. Look at the 15-minute. Let's look at 15-minute open range for a second. And before anybody has anything to say, I don't hate the 15-minute opening range. I just don't like waiting that long. I'm usually done trading by then. So for those that think I hate it, I don't hate it. I'm just not around for all of that. Obviously, since I've been live streaming, I've been around for it. But previously, I was not. So this is our 15-minute opening range. Oh, we had a fake out on one side. Yes, just message me again so it gets back up to the top of my inbox because I have hundreds of messages in my Telegram and I try to keep up with everyone. Just waiting. 15-minute opening range, that's what the white lines are. I would like to see a break out of this range because we're just ranging right now. I'm just waiting for a breakout. It looks like we broke out here, retested, pushing back down again. But this can be very typical for a Monday where we just range around market open. And did I take a trade? Yes. I took that buy right here for Firestorm. And I ended up taking a buy earlier this morning. So I'm up over 760 on some of them and 660 on others with my apexes. Top step, nothing. Not yet. Let's see. Can you re-enter? You can. You can re-enter at my entry again. And my stop was like here. So what was I seeing today? That one? Yeah, what was I seeing today? Honestly, I was leaning more towards buys today. Only because we went down all night. And market open had a nice buy here. I know what happened into these lows. No, this did not hit my stop loss. This was, I scalped this and I pulled the break even. And I said that when I was in the trade. Hopefully you don't hear the little temper tantrums going on upstairs. Looks like we're heading for that buy breakout on the 15-minute opening range. The 2-minute hit, take profit 2, and also take profit 1 and 2 for Firestorm. 1 minute. We don't have a buy yet on the 1 minute. You do on the 30-second? Is that what you were yeah, that's what you were talking about, 30-second buy. That's what you have him on. That's awesome. We'll pull back continuation. You love my 1 minute hack? Thank you. What is my nitro doing? My nitro has not done really anything today. It's in a buy. Right now, $10 in drawdown. But currently holding pretty good. I am up on the account. I deposited $599. I currently have $2,282 in the account, and that was all made last week. Correct. The 1 minute hack does that, yes. This 2 minute trade has not been stopped out. It is still valid. We're doing a crazy range today. Just ranging inside the 15-minute opening range. I think I'm gonna get out of here because you get exhausted when you stare at the charts for too long. But yes, the 1 minute hack that I always talk about is it'll push down in the direction for 1 minute, and then 30 seconds into it, 22 seconds into it, it will reverse. We did just leave a random gap here out of nowhere. It shows bookmap here had a bunch of sellers. That's why it spiked. And then 9:30. Or not 9:30, I mean 10:30. Yes, we're good, April, for 2:30 today. And then same thing here. There's no wick. We could very well leave a wick on the other side. I don't see enough sellers for it right now. Oh, not for that candle. There wasn't enough sellers on bookmap. Yeah, I still am. I'm still bullish for the afternoon. I just I don't personally see us continuing down. I mean, if we do, then I'm not surprised. It's NASDAQ. But ES looked like garbage today. US 30 looked like garbage today. And NASDAQ looked like garbage today. So it's a day full of just ranging markets. Usually how some Mondays go. Completely normal. But I'm gonna head off of here. I will see you tomorrow at 9:30, 9:20. Please remember inside of WAP is where the permanent link is. So I don't post it every single day anymore. And it is always pinned at the top of the announcements bar. And it's also pinned inside of the Telegram as well. So I'll see you tomorrow. We had a pretty average day today. I mean, it was a great day. I was profitable today. I saw some of you guys were profitable today, so it was a good day. We didn't have like crazy losses or anything like that. And see you tomorrow.